How to unlock jobs on Indeed Flex. So in Indeed Flex, there's not really some sort of thing where you technically unlock jobs. It's as simple as logging in or creating yourself with an account, and depending on what area you went for or what area you're in, of course, you're gonna get job opportunities. So if your area does have jobs, these jobs will appear for you to book or apply an appointment for. But if there are no jobs in your area, then unfortunately there's not much you can do since, in that area there isn't that many jobs. Log into your profile and ensure every single section is filled out, like your personal details, skills and experiences, certifications and licenses, and work preferences. And also pass all the required assessments. So when you sign up, you'll be given short assessments. Pass all of them since these are direct filters for jobs. If you don't pass the retail assessment, you won't see retail shifts. You can also build a strong work history if you do have that. And if you're done with basically the setup with your account, check the app frequently and be fast. Since jobs can still appear, new shifts drop regularly depending on where you are, and clients can post shifts often. So enable your notifications if you want, and turn on push notifications with the Indeed Flex app to get alerts for new shifts in your area. So when a good shift appears, book it immediately. Be prompt with that, of course. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.